Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini text-to-speech in Google AI Studio in just a few simple steps. First, open a new browser tab and click on the Google search bar. Type aistudio.google.com into the search bar. Click on the first search result to open Google AI Studio. Once the page loads, click on Playground in the left sidebar to open the main workspace. The Playground interface opens, showing several template options. Click on the Everyday Assistant template to load it. You'll see the template loads with a voice already assigned. Click on the Speaker 1-Awide dropdown to open the voice selection menu. A list of available voices appears with play buttons next to each one. For this example, I'll preview a few options by clicking the play button next to Akarnar. The voice plays a sample so you can hear what it sounds like. Click the play button next to Akird to hear another one. Click the play button next to Aljanib to preview that voice. Click the play button next to Inilam to hear another option. Click the play button next to Fenrir to preview that voice. Click the play button next to Iapetus to hear how it sounds. Click the play button next to Kore to preview another voice. Click the play button next to Skadar to hear that option. Click the play button next to Sulafat to preview the last voice. Once you've found a voice you like, click on it to select it. For this example, I'm selecting Sulafat. Now, click into the text block below to edit the speech content. Delete the existing placeholder text. Type in the text you want the AI to speak. I'm entering, "Thanks for calling Harbor Lane Dental. Our opening hours are 8:30 to 5, Monday to Friday. If this is a dental emergency, press 1 now, and you will be put through to the on-call dentist. For everything else, leave your name and number after the tone, and we will call you back the same working day." Click the Run button at the top right to generate the audio. The system processes your text and converts it to speech with your selected voice. Once the audio player appears showing your generated speech, click the download icon to save the audio file. A download notification appears at the bottom of your browser confirming the file has been saved. Click on the downloaded file in the notification bar to open it in your media player and verify the audio. If the audio generation takes longer than expected, try shortening your text or refreshing the page and running it again. You can switch between voices at any time and regenerate the same text to compare how different voices sound with your content. The downloaded audio is saved as an MP3 file that you can use in videos, phone systems, or any other project that needs voiceover. Each voice has its own character. Some sound more formal, while others are more conversational, so preview a few before settling on one for important projects. And that's how to use Gemini text-to-speech in Google AI Studio. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.